Hey, I wonder if they have Alf. He's back in plug form. This is the OC Mallrat coming to you from Estancia Mall here in Capital Commons in Pasig City. There is a Likhang Pinoy. Hail Mallrats! This is the OC Mallrat coming to you from Estancia Mall here in Capital Commons in Pasig City. There is a Likhang Pinoy exhibit that's been going on for the past month. August 15, something like that, to 31. And today we ran it to a pottery workshop.
What is that?
So we'll check it out. I think it is a pottery workshop. That's what that is. Right, so over here we have a Likhang Pinoy pottery workshop. See that? There. It's a pottery workshop, so let's check out the pottery here in the back. But the potter's wheels, and we'll see people doing pottery. As you can see, the equipment is, there you go. Okay. See, potter's wheel over there, that looks electronic, man. That's really yucky. And then we have the soft results here. Yeah. There's a block thing back here.
Ball.
Got a cool looking plate here in the back. Okay, that was fail. That was fail. Have to redo it. This one in the back. Yes. Seems to be doing okay. Anyway, that's the pottery thing, guys, over here. There's no oven, so I guess they just let things dry over here, and they will bake them somewhere else. So there you go, guys. Lutong Filipino. It's just Philippine culture. So we'll check out the pottery workshop in a while. And then nothing on 28. Everyone will say Harana thing. So okay, let's check things out. There's a bunch of tinga with straw there. So on the sipa, okay. Never really played this because I wasn't a social kid. I'll check this out in a while. Oh, look. Hold it. Once again, never really played this with other kids because I wasn't a social kid. But I do have a lot of them at home. Marbles, yeah, of course. Oh, this one I can't. Oh, so this is Tex. Tex or Tex? Oh, over here we have throwback from, well, this one's from the 80s. This is Tex cards, which I never really got into. Okay, but this one I did. Pogs. Hey, I wonder if they have Alf. He's back in Pog form. They're newer Pogs. This one is Dama, which is essentially checkers. Different kind of Dama. Missing one line. And here we have people playing checkers. Very strategic. Here we have Sungka, and we've seen a couple of Sungka boards in the past. I do not remember how to play.
You eat that, that's all yours.
And that's Sungka right there.
It's called thinking.
Now I'll play. I gotta really learn how to play that. Over here is Pico. Essentially, there's a board right there. Forgot what they called it. I mean, what they call it in English, but that's what that is. This is peak 1950s to 1980s score. 1990s. 90s. The 2000 kids, they don't know these. There you go. They go right there. We have Bahay Kubo. And there's a Bahay Kubo right there. Baiko. And then Pinoy Panghimagas. I've never heard that term before. But essentially it's food. Really? It's a 90s thing? I mean a 70s? I didn't know that. 70s? I thought these were like old. And here's your banana queue right there. And there's a Pinoy food cart right here with a sago. And we just had sago. And Right? 1800s. So what the hell did we used to do for music before 1800s? There's a cute little ukulele here. And a bigger guitar here. Very nice looking thing. Ooh, maracas. This is really a Philippine thing. Mula sa salitang maraca na ginagamit sa Latin America. Of course not from here. Bunch of Jamaican Caribbean stuff. Hello po. Paano ito tugtugin? Yeah, dude. It's maracas. No? Wait. There's nothing inside. What the? There's nothing in there. Wait. Is there something in here? Oh, there you go. There's nothing in that thing. This has nothing in it. It's a lie. Cheapening out of maracas. Oh man, maglalatik. Yeah, the coconut shell tick things. Oops. Mula sa salitang latik, pinatuyong sapat. Really? So these things are called latik. No, that was a thing. It's baon ng nyug. That's it. There you go. See? Baon ng nyug. Right there. Woo. Ang maglalati. Pinan Laguna. Really? It's from there. It's a coconut harvest thing. Paano ito tugtugin? Well, you strip down to your undies and then you tie a bunch of coconuts all over you and you go Oh, that's a different thing. Kadang. So these are you put these on your shoes, or you wear these as shoes. Tumapak sa ibabaw ng latang patpat. Okay. Hey, he uses shoes. Fat people need not apply. And lastly, we have castanets. That is a Spanish thing. Nasa salitang Espanyol na castanuelas. Castañuelas. Yep. And you wear these on your hands and fingers, and you slam them together. It's a Spanish thing. There you go, right there. That's the nets. They seem to be made also of coconut. Well, there you go, guys. That was the Likhang Pinoy, Likhang Filipino, Likhang Pinoy thing here in Estancia. We will check out that pottery making thing downstairs now. There you go, Mallrats. That was the Likhang Pinoy for event for August 27, 2025 here at Estancia Mall in Capital Commons. If you like what you saw, you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe, share this with anyone you think may be interested in seeing pottery ventures and other things. Anyway, this is the OC Mallrat signing out. Mallrat out. Mallrat out. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out. Hey, Mallrats. This is the OC Mallrat coming from Try that again. Cut this. Okay. There's a potter's wheel down here.